Hi guys, Retro Jingo here. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today's video is gonna be all about the mighty IBM PS2 line computer. If we zoom in, then we can see here it says IBM PS2 57486 SLC 3. This one, I have a couple of these IBM PS2 line computers. Most of them, like the M30, has got, has gotten height about here. This with 3 layers, it looks massive on the table. It looks just so brutal, man. I absolutely love the design of this big desktop computer. It's just an amazing build design from this 486 about, it must be from the mid 90s as I remember. But this one is a bit special. Again, mid 90s. As you can see here, the other IBMs I have got, they have 1.44 floppy disk drives, and this one has got 2.88 megabyte. It is backwards compatible, so I can use 1.44, but I mean, it's just so beautiful, man. Let's look at the back side also, and then open and take a look inside. At the back side, we can see the PSU. We have got VGA, COM port, parallel port, of course PS2 port. We have got 5 expansion ports, and in the middle at port 3, we have got a networking card here. So let's just go ahead and open this one and take a closer look inside. Very, very easy to open. You have two screws at the back, and the top will just slide out. So easy. So if we look at the type, it says type 9557-DEB. So it's a 9557 model IBM computer. And I mean, it's old, it's from the mid 90s, and it looks and works, it feels so crispy, but man, it's just so crispy. This computer is just wow, man. Everything's just wow about it. I haven't cleaned it, but it looks pretty clean. And here the warranty label on the PSU, still sealed, never opened. It says from 1995. As mentioned earlier, we have got 5 MCA slots. We have got the built-in battery here, CR2032, I think. No battery leakage, that's nice. We have got a net card from 3Com. As you can see, works with the IBM MCA. We have got 2 RAM blocks, and as you can see here, it says memory 1, memory 2, and memory slot 3 down here. So I can actually upgrade it a bit more. I don't remember how many megabytes of RAM, but for an 486 computer, I mean, 8 megabytes is just, it's great for MS-DOS gaming. I just turned on yellow greenish LED lights, so the colors will be a bit off right now, but it's just to get some more light when we're filming. Let's just take a quick look at the backside of the motherboard here. As you can see, it has got a SCSI cable, so it doesn't run with normal, the good old ID hard disks. So this is a bit, again, more special, a bit different. Oh, look at that. Wow. So beautiful, man. I haven't cleaned nothing. So let's just reassemble the top and give this one some power. This is how it looks inside. And as you all know, I just love to document as much retro computing as possible. And this is the first time I see one of these. Really nice condition, man. Really nice. All right, so it's time to boot it up now. the power indicator works fine. And oh, that hard disk reading sound, I love it. The hard disk activity LED is also working. I mean, this IBM computer is in really nice condition. At the top, it's counting up to 12 megabytes of RAM. And that's just great. Well, I didn't make a whole lot of research. Only thing I did was I just looked at eBay. This exact moment at this time, February 2021, two for sale, one as a project for about 3,500 Danish crowns and one in okay condition for about 5,000 Danish. I mean, that's just, I don't know, a lot of euros. Pretty expensive, man. But yeah, I think I paid 1,500 Danish crowns, so I got this one really cheap, man. As I remember, it's just, yeah. Norton Commander, nothing on drive A, that's right, let's try drive C there. Alright, so we have got something called 1, 2, 3, don't know what that is. 3COM, that must be the driver for the net card. We got backup of autoexec bad configs, DOS files, FX, GOTS, we're gonna try GOTS, Netgear, alright, net client. This computer was used for something with net something, but it boots up fine. That's beautiful, man. I love it. Doesn't wait. Can we see how many megahertz here? System information. Bus type MCA, serial port, parallel port. Yeah. Oh, that's just memory information. Alright. Yeah. Quit that. Alright, so let's just go in and GOTS. Yeah. Okay, it loads really fast, so I think it's a pretty fast 486 computer. I actually don't know how many megahertz. Usually it does write it at the beginning, but I didn't see nothing. So yeah, you can just Google this exact number. I mean, everything is just original on this one. Maybe upgraded with the net card, but other than that, it looks pretty original with 12 megabytes of RAM, 486. So really nice system, man. If you're into IBM, then you know what I'm talking about. I just think there's something special with the design of these beautiful computers. And this one, it has got a lot of, expansion options at the front. Yeah. Oh. Alright guys, let's quit that. Let's enter DOS. See you soon. Yeah. Alright guys, that was my turbo review of this beautiful IBM PS2 computer. It's in really nice condition. It's special. I just want to have it on YouTube, guys. So just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will catch up on the next video. In the meantime, I just want to say, oh, it sounds amazing with the building sound, man. yeah, I just want to thank you guys for all the support you're giving me. Also, my patrons, thank you guys. I mean, without you, this is not possible. So I really appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. So if you want to be a member on Patreon, please check out the link on the description down below. Until next time, have a great day out there. Bye.